Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited because I have my IPSY box, and this is my creator box, just an FYI, but I am unboxing my regular IPSY bag, my IPSY Plus, and I also have the IPSY refreshments, and I do have my IPSY X that I'm going to be, my big boy. I pay for my IPSY X. I actually have the IPSY Plus subscription, and then I do have the upgrade for IPSY X, so I'm getting that this month as well, and I'm super excited. I will do a video, but I figured since I'm already gonna have two videos, I would just do this unboxing together. If you guys are missing the try on portions, just let me know. I feel like more people just enjoy the unboxings, but I get kind of like mixed reviews. So if you are missing the try on, let me know. Maybe I'll try on my IPSY X or my BoxyCharm or something. But I'm super excited to show you what I got in my IPSY and my IPSY Plus and my refreshments. Right? Oh. Okay, so I was just looking up the prices of the IPSY refreshments, and it looks like it's customizable. So I think it says like starting at $11, but you can totally customize like what you want to get, what you don't want to get, if you need a refill or if you don't need a refill. I'll go ahead and do the refreshments and get that out of the way. So it comes in this silky bag. These are really handy if you're like separating products. I like giving away all my extra products, and these come in handy with that. So this comes with the Luxe 5-blade razor kit. I have not opened this up, but I am super excited to see what it looks like. Oh, it comes with a little shower thing. So it comes with your handle. Cute. It also has two of these razor heads. So here's what the razor looks like with the head on it. So that's with the little shower holder. Seems like a really nice razor. It looks like it's got little hydrating bits around the edges. And then it also comes with this pillowy shave cream. Ooh, Citrus Spritz is the scent that I got last time, and I really like the scent of this. Ooh, there's the scent. Like at first I'm doing like this, I'm like, oh, I don't smell it, but once you like rub your fingers together, it smells really nice. Just a little citrusy, but not too crazy. So I got the razor and the shave cream, so I'm all set up. I love that it comes with two razor heads too. Last time I got wipes, hand cream, and velvety body cream. They also have pearly body wash. Ooh, it's a cream body wash. I hope they send that next time. I don't know if there's more right now or if that's it, but if you love them, you can just restock, and they ship free with your IPSY bag. If I'm like looking awkward, I have like pinched a nerve in my neck and my shoulder, or at least I think it's a nerve, but I was in pain, so much pain that I was like crying. Like sometimes it's just, I don't even know what I did, you know, but it is so painful. So in order to not be in pain, I'm like, it's okay, I just can't turn my neck a lot. It's getting better. But it's been a little rough. Let's go with our IPSY $12 bag, just our regular glam bag, and this is super cute. The bag says sealed with a kiss, and it looks like a little envelope, and then it's got little lips here. Really adorable. I love this bag. I think their last Valentine's one I loved too. There's just something about them, like I think they're really cute, so this is probably one that I'll keep. It's got pink lining, and then we've got our products. All right, this is from Item Beauty Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. Ooh, I haven't tried Item Beauty, but I did have in my IPSY X choices. There was a few choices, and I went for the Item Beauty setting spray. I think it was setting spray, and I decided like, oh, I want to try this brand. I'm gonna try this mascara really soon because I'm super intrigued. I kind of like this. Okay, it's got a rubbery bristle, but it is like a shorter wand, which honestly I feel like this might be nicer because it's hard to coat all your lashes in one go. At least it is for me. I don't get all my lashes, so I feel like I can do half and then half. It'd almost be easier because trying to get like a whole size wand like into the corner or something, like it's, I don't know. Just me? Maybe. So anyway, Item Beauty mascara is our first item. We also got the Clean It Zero Tri-Peel Acid Cleansing Balm. Oh, so it's really interesting. They have all of these makeup cleansing balms. I took the lid off so we could look at it, and they have like different varieties. So it's not like just removing your makeup, like they have added little benefits. This one smells kind of like lime. I like the way this smells. I've tried one of these before and I really, really liked it. And I think they are maybe a Korean brand. Yes, made in Korea. Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Pore Clarifying. So it's a little guy, but this is perfect to travel with for like makeup removal because you don't want to take like a bottle of oil or a big jar. So I mean, when we can travel again, this will be perfect. Number 3, we got the Glam Glow Bright Eyes. I have a couple of these, and then I also finally got the full size. I really like this eye cream, especially for the daytime, because it gives a little bit of a glow to the eye area, kind of brightens it up, and it's really great under makeup too. I've noticed that it seems to keep my under eye really hydrated, which if you're like me and you're doing a lot of setting powder under the eyes to try to prevent creasing, then you really need the hydration underneath too, or it will look dry. So I really like that one for the daytime. I use something like oilier at night, but that's a great one too. We also got Bite Beauty. I knew just by the packaging. This is the Outburst Longwear Lip Stain and Strawberry Frosé. Okay, I was like, is there a little, I can't tell, because it's so tiny, but this is a little lip from Bite Beauty. Strawberry Frosé. I've kind of gotten rid of all my Bite products because when they changed everything up, I was like, okay, well, I've had these for a long time and they're the older ones, so I haven't kept much from Bite Beauty. Also, they don't have a ton of preservatives or anything, so I feel like the shelf life, you really have to pay attention to it with these. So this is something I need to kind of like use and not just, you know, sit around and store it. So it's strawberry, but it's more of a pink. Like, I feel like that's like Barbie magenta type pink. It's really pretty and it feels super creamy but very thin, if that makes sense. So it feels like it would be hydrating on the lips. And then the last thing is the Love You First Perfect Eyeshadow Duo, Rose Gold and Ivory. Oh, it's from Real Her, because I was like, I don't see a brand on this, but manufacturer for Real Her products. Perfect Eyeshadow Duo, Love You First. And let's see right here. That's what the two shades look like. There is a little mirror too. This is actually a really nice little compact for anyone who wants like the ultimate basic eyeshadow. You really can't go wrong. Throw this all throughout the crease, a little bit in the outer corner, and then throw the shimmer on the lid, and that's like the simplest eye look ever. I might share this with like my mom because she doesn't wear a lot of makeup, but if she wanted to do eyeshadow, this would be kind of perfect. She also has blue eyes, so it would kind of like, you know, pop with the browns. It's really pretty. Just with the amount of shadows that I have and the fact that I like very bold eyeshadow, I'm not going to get a lot of use out of this. Like if I used it, it would just kind of get pushed to the side, but I know a few people who could really benefit from this, and I do like Real Her products, so still a really good item to get. So a quick recap on our regular IPSY bag. We got the eyeshadow duo, Item Beauty mascara, we got the Glam Glow eye cream, Vanilla Clean Zero, and then the little Bite lip. I feel like this is a really, really good one. I'm actually very, very happy. I would totally use every item in the bag, and we got some really good brands too. I mean, for $12, I'm really, really happy with this one. And now we get to look at the IPSY Plus, which I'm super excited about. So this is the bag for the IPSY Plus this month. Little drawstring with lips on it. I would totally reuse this to like give a little Valentine's Day gift in. So anyway, that's the little bag. I think it's really, really cute. And this one, of course, is $25 with 5 full-size products. Right on top, we've got the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Skin Hugging Foundation Brush. Now, I have eyed IT Cosmetics brushes for a long time because I feel like they are really nice and luxurious. Their brushes are also, at least they were, let's see. Yes, okay, they still are. So this is a brush infused with anti-aging collagen, silk peptides, and antioxidants. So I was trained by IT Cosmetics and told that basically it will wear off like over many, 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 many uses, but supposedly it just has those skincare benefits in it. So if you're concerned about anti-aging, you can have anti-aging in every facet of your skincare and makeup routine, which is crazy. I don't think I have this brush, but I do have a couple of IT Cosmetics brushes. So this one is a really nice angle. So it's meant to be for foundation. It does have a lot of give to it. Like I was expecting something a bit more dense, but it like hugs the face. So I'm really keen to give this a try. I don't use a lot of foundation brushes. I usually use a sponge, but this says it's good for liquids and creams and color infused skincare products. So like, ooh, I like BB cream, tinted moisturizer or something like that. So I'm really interested to give this a try and see how it goes. And I love the sleekness of their brushes too. Really, really pretty. Number 2, we have the About Face Fluid Eye Paint. So this is a matte eye paint. And of course, this is is it Halsey's brand, right? So I was confused for a second because I'm like, wait, this is the lip product. They look really similar, and I think I'm getting a lip in my IPSY X, but this is actually an eye one, and it says online that you can like use these anywhere. So I'm curious if you could use this on the lips, but it's eye safe for sure. So I think these are meant to be like kind of like multi-purpose and fun and creative. So I'm gonna see what color this is. It looks like a really pretty, ooh, This is a pretty mauve. So that's the color, and it is an eye paint, but I can totally see putting that all over the lid and then like a little sparkle or something in just the center of the eyelid could be super easy. And I do love the packaging. Like, it's very unique and you know exactly what color you're working with. So I'm excited to try this brand out and see how it goes. A lot of times when celebrities put out makeup brands, I am just not interested. Like, I feel like it's just putting a name on it, but I feel like this is very much her style. Like, it's low-key, it's artistic, and I don't know, it made sense to me for her versus like some brands are just like, okay, you're famous, so you have a makeup brand. But in this instance, I'm pretty excited. We also got this Mayel, I don't know how you pronounce that, Mayel Sun-Kissed Blush. Sunset inspired glow all day long. If this is what I'm thinking it is, I think the palette or the layout of these are really cool. So it's very sleek packaging. So I've always thought that these are really, really pretty. I've seen these elsewhere and like aesthetically pleasing 100%, but I'm like, are you trying to get the individual colors or do you just mix this all up? I guess that's my only question. It says it's a vegan blush palette that flatters all skin tones. Sunset inspired shades blend seamlessly to add warmth and make golden hour last all day. I'm assuming you're meant to use like one color, but I don't know, I think with like a blush brush you'd have to be kind of precise, or you could take like multiple colors, I guess, which I often mix my blushes. Like today I wanted something that was a flush of like a little bit reddish but still light colored, so I went with this, which is like I mixed like a berry pink and then an orange and made something red. So sometimes you just have to mix it to get the color that you want. But these are really pretty. I mean, I do have to say it looks stunning. This center shade is kind of calling my name. Oh, super pretty. And that's the pigment of it right there, if you can see. Oh, this one right here looks more like a highlight. It's like pinky golden, but really pretty. And I can totally see like mixing the colors, like I said, going for one that's a little bit more glowy and mixing it with matte colors. Really pretty. I'm keen to give this a try. Like I said, I've kind of eyed it before, but never purchased or used it, so I will give that a try for sure. Next up, we got the Gold Fade and MD Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. Has vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. God, I am a child. Okay, gooseberry, it sounds cute. I know that's an actual berry. We have gooses. Wow, I have a degree. Do we have geese? Right across the street from our house, there is a rather large pond, and geese are out there pretty much every morning, and then you hear them like as they're going by. They're so cute, and I know a lot of people don't like geese, but I think they're funny. All right, I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hands so that I can feel this. My hands are super dry. Smells like slightly orangey, slight citrus, but it's like very, very mild. This is cruelty free, made in the USA. Made in the USA. It's got jojoba seed oil. It's got a good alcohol that helps retain moisture. So it's got some good ingredients, some glycerin, some squalane. Okay, well, I'm definitely keen to give this a try. It's very lightweight. My skin like drank that up. Maybe it's because my hands are so dry. You can't feel a film or anything on the hands. So I feel like this will be perfect in the summer because it's not like gel, like it's got a little creaminess to it, but it absorbs so nicely that, you know, I'll be piling on the sunscreen all day long in the summer. So I do like to have something really lightweight underneath. So that feels nice. I'm keen to give that a try. And then we have one more product in the IPSY Plus. This is the Tokyo Milk Light and Soul, or is it Light and Soul? I don't know. Shea Butter Hand Cream. I really love this box. It's like pink and white. It's got this artistic anatomical heart. Oh, it is. Okay, I'm so excited that this matches because I feel like this is so cute. A Light and Soul Shea Butter Hand Cream. And this is the packaging, and then it has this design on the back. I love that like both sides look very pleasing. It's not like the back's just like ingredients or something. So oolong tea, bamboo reed, orchid and air, white musk. I've had some Tokyo scents. I think it was Tainted Love that I liked, but I had to be careful because if I put too much on, it would give me a headache, but I really like the scent. Ooh, that feels nice. That's a little like richer. That smells nice. It smells sophisticated. This is not overly fragrant, and it doesn't have like a scent that I'm like, ooh, that smells like this. Like it doesn't smell specific. This is gonna sound weird, but it kind of smells like sea air, a little flower. Imagine that you're standing next to a garden of flowers by the ocean. I'm not good at describing scents. Okay, I'm sorry about that. So I'm actually really excited for this. I feel like a little fancy with this scent. So just to recap what we got in our IPSY Plus, we got our Tokyo Milk Hand Cream, our Male Blush Palette, Gold Faded Moisturizer, IT Cosmetics Brush, and then About Face Matte Fluid Eye Paint. So I'm really excited. I feel like once again for 25 bucks, you can't beat it. I would have easily paid, you know, $25 for the hand cream and the eye. Like, I feel like that would be really reasonable. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna clean up all my recycling, put my razor in the shower, and then use my products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. It ran a little bit long, but we had a lot of products to talk about. And be sure to keep an eye out as soon as I get my IPSY X. It's already shipped. So as soon as I get it, I will film and get that up for you as well. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you really soon in my next one. Bye guys.